Now, have you ever experienced that somebody speaks to you or you say something and it's the right thing, but it just lands completely wrong? I know, I fall in that trap often, where the best of intentions and I say something and I say the right things, but somehow there's a reaction on the other side that I can get the message that this is just not landed well. Now, there's a psychologist, Albert Mehrabian, and he came up with the 7-38-55 model of communication when we talk about communicating emotions. And I think it's so valuable to apply for any communication. The 7% stands for words. So 7% of what we say is the words that we say. 38% is tone of voice. 55% is body language. Now let that sink in. And now today we're only going to stand still and talk about tone of voice. The big challenge that we have is often not what we say, but it's how we say things. And that's where tone of voice comes in. My background is we really have loud voices.